Hello, Cisco partners. Welcome to Cisco Ready for Partners. This will be a full overview of the tool in 5 parts. This video will cover the analysis portion, which is the most popular part of the tool. The install base view is the landing page for Cisco Ready for Partners. Let's move to the top right of the page where the login information is. You will see the name of your company here, and there is a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down menu and then select Access Setup. This will give you a list of your BE/GEO IDs. These are the unique IDs that determine which data you will see in the tool. Partners will see all hardware and software products or all services sold under their BE/GEO ID. If another partner both sold the products and the services, then you will not see those items in your data. To get this information, you will need to get a digital consent agreement from your customer. Some partners will only have a single ID. Others will have multiple IDs. Select the checkbox next to the ID to bring that data set into your results. Below the login information is a toggle for the HQ account view or the global view. The HQ account view is the common customer name. The global view is the global ultimate, the global parent company for the HQ accounts. Let's move to the left side of the screen to the menu. Here is a map of the different parts of the tool: Analysis, Explore, and Sales Campaigns. Let's look at the Analysis section. There are 2 main sections: the Install Base view and Opportunities. The Install Base view is the largest view of your customer's data. It has 2 views: the Total Asset view, showing all of the hardware and software, and the Coverage view, showing the coverage percentage of these items. The Opportunities section shows specific opportunities for product refresh, subscription software, service renewals, and service attach, and the subcategories for each of these. Let's move down to the filters. Click on Show Filters. The filter section will open and show the different sections. The main sections can be expanded and contracted to make it easier to navigate. The sales section is mapped to your Cisco's sales territories. If you are working with your Cisco account team, then you can look them up here. The account section is where you look up individual accounts. Open the search box and type in an account name. Customers with similar spellings will appear in the list. Check the checkbox next to the account name that you want to select. You can backspace over the name that you put in and search for another account to select. Once individual accounts are selected, Cisco Ready will only show data for those accounts. You can also look up individual install sites and account locations. There are also vertical market information to search for customer opportunities. The product section shows Cisco's product offerings. You start with the top line architectures like collaboration, enterprise networking, and wireless. You then move to the subcategories, the product families, and the product IDs. Click Upload Product ID List and a window will appear for you to download a template. Paste your product IDs into it and save it to your desktop. Then browse for the file and click Upload. The Subscriptions and Buying Program section shows ways to identify subscription software and enterprise agreements. You can look up subscription reference IDs and web order IDs. The Buying Program and Offer selection shows subscription and enterprise agreement information. The Offer filter shows the higher level group of subscription and enterprise agreement offerings, while the Buying Program filter shows the individual subscription and EA products. The enterprise agreements are shown by the prefix in the product offering. The Services section shows the contract type, contract number, service sales order, and the services mix, meaning is it Cisco branded, partner branded, or co-branded. The Date section allows users to narrow down the data for their customers using date lines. You can use end of sale, last date of support, shipment and processing date, the covered line term end date, or the end of software maintenance date. To make a date selection, open one of the timelines. You will see two ways to select your date range. The fixed date allows you to get very specific on a date range. Use the calendar selections to move forward and backward on the calendar dates. The relative date allows you to make general selections by fiscal month, quarter, and year. Use the range to make your selections. For example, to get the last 3 years of shipments, you would enter fiscal 18 in the first selection to fiscal 21 in the second selection. You must enter values in both to make the date selection. The status section shows if items are covered, network collected, or Cisco One product types. The dataset shows that covered items go back to 1997, while uncovered items are only going back 6 years. The digital consent filter allows you to see customers that you have received a digital consent agreement with. Click the Apply button to have your filters take effect. You can see your filter selections in the View Applied filter next to the Filter section. You can also deselect filters by clicking the X next to their name. For more information, use the Guide Me and Sales Connect information. Please take the time to watch the rest of the Cisco Ready for Partners full overview series. If you have any questions, please contact the Cisco Ready team or use this help icon above. Thank you and have a nice day.